Jesus sometime. Okay, we see the some the disciple follow Jesus. They saw so many things and that Jesus doing all right. Everything Jesus doing something and a miracle or healing or while rising from the dead. But think about it, someone not follow you because of they don't believe you are God or you are something or you are okay, you are important. But here I want to tell you about me no pain in Peter denied. Okay, Peter denied Jesus. Peter denied Jesus. Jesus know already about the Peter want to deny Jesus. Okay, do you think you are the perfect? You are the perfect, or you believe God, or you believe Jesus exactly? You will say, but sometimes you lie in your heart. Okay, you lie in your heart because what? You want to prove something, or you need more time, or maybe you're afraid. Okay, you're afraid. This means neplida no da ulan ne lowa ta sector are do nama tapita ma ta silva mo le tano ko da bakra patu pata ta tir phane no when ni pagasig to bakala Peter deny Jesus ne no Peter deny Jesus ne no pagda no mala opa li mo no Peter deny Jesus ne no pay ni pagda no mala bakala no pa order le last supper khane patibala no pay ni ka sai su tewe wili no ka sai su tewe wili no pay ni ka sai su tewe wili no pagda no ma pay ni no tebra le Peter ni ka deny mo no deny sita ne no thamma no kalwa ko thamma deny okay deny here. Then Jesus told them, this very night you will all fall away on account of me. No, you will all fall away on, no, far away, no, all fall away on account of me, for it is written. Now, talk with that way, for it is written. I will strike the shepherd, and the sheep, no, the sheep of the flock will be scattered. Scattered. Let no kuta ro pay ni ye ka hinira pakwato do pagten ma to the pane a weti the pane ka hapata ro scattered no. But after I have risen, no, lucky to you make a sedegara kini, I will go ahead of you into Galilee. No, I will go ahead you into Galilee. Let no kuta no pay you make a sedegara kini, Yagalele Galilee. No, learn the thing. Peter replied, even if all fall away on account of you, no, me bagdera mala, no, me haparana kalani, no, I never will, no, I never will. Now sometimes you promise something, you think about you have to decide or you have to follow something, okay, you have to follow something, but it's a not important thing you think, yes, this is not you believe something, okay, you want to follow something, but sometimes you're scary or sometimes high, no, sometimes you're scary, okay, that's why Peter tell the truth, no, anyone, okay, far away, but I never will, okay, I never will. Here, I tell you the truth, Jesus answered, no, I tell you the truth, Jesus answered, this very night, tonight, okay, this very night, tonight, okay, before the rooster crows, you will disown me 3 times, disown me 3 times, okay, 3 times, disown me 3 times, okay. I don't know what to do. Whatever you say, okay, here Jesus talk about something important thing, okay, you think about you are the perfect or you other, maybe you follow master, or you think about by yourself you are the good man, or you want to do the right thing, but you never ever, okay, you never ever uh, look like, okay, you afraid, sometimes you afraid, okay. Here, this very night before the roast of crown, you will destroy me in 3 times. That's exactly Jesus talk about. Jesus know the truth. Okay, Jesus know the truth. Doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. Here, but Peter declared, even if I have to do with you, I will never destroy you. And all the other disciples says the same. Okay, all the other disciples said the same. Okay, the same. But think about you will you willing to dine with someone, you willing to do with someone. Okay, think about by yourself. But someone can believe you, but Jesus know your heart. Jesus knows something you do. Okay, Jesus knows something you do. Okay, you think about maybe you want to hide something, or you want to do, you don't want something or somebody see, okay, but you hiding something. This is a Jesus knows something important. Okay, Jesus knows something important in your heart. Maybe you believe or you don't believe exactly. You and Jesus, okay, you know the disciple follow Jesus. Jesus disciple, 12 disciple, you know that Judah Iscariot, okay, he denied, he said handle Jesus to the, okay, handle Jesus. Another Peter is denying Jesus. Okay, other one is a runaway. Okay, this means we know exactly. No, when you pathinya sekalo, le patamu pune pathinya la patamu pune pakale dile pakamadi le pakudi le lu pathinya no. The blood kone pasukomo le a pakapopor gane kilo pakama le sisilo pakamunda lo pake omuro lo patiko muko lo patako lo pe e o lo tilo silo. Pasal na kiri mutani le ne me bako bakeni o wetini. Ta kana khuna ba awete ka pharana awete kletadana no leta no kura na ba desire na sala no na ba kete to na sala min me na kete to na sala la na ki lo ta le sisi ba ne no pa ka pon na ki wa ne na ba su ko mo ba no ne de su ko mo leta no kura no pa kro patu pata le peta mo bu no pa kro patu pata le peta mo bu pa kro le do pa kro umu do pa kro ma le peta mo kale kesino. Let me at me in Pacropatu Patala, Patapita Matil Pama Mano. The block on a Pasucomola Papa key, the block on a Pasucomola Pacaletanapa. Basanakiro, Munikita, Pagatamala, Patapo Kiva, no look it up Patoknaku Pava, no look it up Pagatanama Patalira Pava, the block on it. Taita clue over Geneto. Meme call Patapitama on it, not going to badly rap clear. Pagba munda bakle do pagba lera le jwa tu jwa kle do lo mitimi dini tu bani patane ka kamala patamu lo gropapatu pata siko no gropapatu pata siko lo patamu siko lo no leta no kuta lo pagropatu pata le patamu pu le patale take tapitama pu lo ke Patewili, when a sopitur thumber, where I can say you should the blonny, Pathinia or Sicolo, no? Pathinia or Sicolo. Penny, Pate, Patel, sopitru at the mer, Casaisu, no? Casaisu the blonny, no? We know Jesus, no? Patenoma Peter denied Jesus, okay? Peter denied Jesus 3 times. We exactly know about this, okay, we exactly know about this, okay, we will see, okay, we will see in the when Jesus arrested, okay, just arrested. I want to finish right here, but you don't like or You don't like, that's okay. Okay, that's okay. When you hear something important for you, you can take it, you can keep it. You don't hear good thing, something from me, you don't need to keep it. Okay, you don't throw it everything uh, from you. Okay, don't take it the hard thing. But in your life, you need something important, the advice. Okay, this means you can keep it in your life. We know about that the Bible is give your life because you have to be long life. You should be have long life. Okay, that means you know that in the world is very hard to live in, and the world is you have to work hard, you have to do something very hard. Maybe someone tell you very hard, maybe you have to believe something very hard. Okay, but Jesus is telling you, okay, patient. Okay, Jesus tell patient. Okay, love yourself, love your neighbor. Okay, and then forgive sin. Okay, forgive your brother. Okay, when your brother gave you, forgive him. This means you are the son of God. Okay, you are belong to the God. You're son of God. Okay, I will guarantee you 100% you your life should be changing one day. Okay, I want to start right now. Bye bye everybody. Okay, see you next time.